I'm making horchata for the first time ever. I love horchata. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner, but I came across a little tutorial and I was like, I'm gonna make it, but I'm gonna do half the recipe because I don't have, the guy used coconut milk because he did a coconut one, but I'm just gonna use the evaporated milk. I did let these soak, the rice and the cinnamon soak overnight. So these are nice and soaked. Actually, they've been soaking for almost 24 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the blender. It's just rice, washed rice, and cinnamon sticks. You fill the water up so that it covers the rice and then just let them soak. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this until it gets smooth and then I'm gonna strain it. Okay. I finished. It smells good. Oh God. The strainer, like so. This is why you want to strain, because look at all that. Okay, I'm gonna dump it into my vase now. And I hope it's not too clumpy. I strained it twice, but I don't have a cheesecloth to like really strain it, so I'll get one for next time. Okay, next we're gonna add in 6 cups of water. So hopefully there's enough in here. Go ahead and dump my water in. Okay, I am making coconut horchata, so I almost forgot this step, but we're gonna need 1 cup of coconut flakes, sweetened coconut flakes, and then we're gonna take 2 cups of milk and blend it. And he blended the coconut flakes with the water, but I'm just gonna do it with the milk. I'm making a big ass mess. Okay, we're gonna take our cup of coconut. Esto se ve delicioso. Okay, I'm gonna put some vanilla extract. I'm not measuring it, so.
A little what?
A evaporated milk. So.
Here you go.
If this tastes like shit, I'm sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my lechera.
Sorry, Duncan.
It's okay. Oh my goodness. That looks like a lot. I'm not even gonna add sugar into this because I think it's already gonna be sugary enough. Okay, I'm straining the milk with the coconut and then I'm gonna add it in. I don't know if there's gonna be enough room, and then I still need to add ice. The ice is not gonna fit. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, hold on.
Just pour out.
Okay, I'm moving the container because girl was about to spill. And we still need to add ice. Ooh, I'm not gonna add all that. That's like the bottom of the barrel. Let me strain it again. No, that's the lechera. Oh my God, you guys. Don't copy my tutorial. This ain't right. I thought it was like thick rice stuff, but it was just lechera.
Thick with 2 C's or what?
Oh, you guys, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna add more ice cubes in it. Don't follow me.
What the hell?
You know, don't follow my tutorial, actually. I'm just gonna let you guys know if it's good or not. Okay, I'm scared to try it, but I'm gonna taste a nibble.
You guys have a good night. ¿Qué pasó? No like it?
It tastes like shit.
¿Qué sácala? No le creas, a ver.
I need to put sugar. I need to put sugar.
Quiero probarla.
I didn't add sugar. Okay, I'm gonna add some sugar, boys, because Christian told me to. They said a lot.
Okay, that's a little.
Christian, you said a lot. Now you're telling me I'm doing too much.
It was there for you since the start.
Does your mom like Little Caesars?
Little Caesars was there for me
Stop,
when you had
baby.
$3
Try
in your
it.
bank account.
Baby, try it. Good. Is it good?
Me falta algo, no sé qué es. Azúcar. Sugar.
It needs more sugar?
More sugar.
Kilani, come try it. It's good. It just lying.
It just needs more
Only
sugar.
sugar.
Christian, you try it.
You think I need sugar, Christian? Since you're the... I like how you drink it out of my hand.
Get it wrong.
Add more sugar.